Hi friends, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recite the prayer Hail Mary in Italian language. I can also give you some Italian reading tips so that by the end of this video, you will be able to recite the prayer Hail Mary in Italian perfectly, and also you will learn how to read Italian language fluently. So let's start. First, I will recite the prayer Hail Mary in Italian so that you can get the pronunciation of these words. So here we start. Ave o Maria, piena di grazia, il Signore è con te, tu sei benedetta fra le donne, e benedetto è il frutto del tuo seno, Gesù. Santa Maria, Madre di Dio, prega per noi peccatori, adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen. Once again, let me repeat the prayer. Ave o Maria, piena di grazia, il Signore è con te, tu sei benedetta fra le donne, e benedetto è il frutto del tuo seno, Gesù. Santa Maria, Madre di Dio, prega per noi peccatori, adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen. So friends, now we will analyze the first line of this prayer. Ave o Maria, piena di grazia. Ave is a greeting. The English equivalent is Hail. Maria is Mary. Piena di grazia, full of grace. Piena is full. Di means of, grazia, grace. Please note the pronunciation. It is not grazia, but it is grazia. The Z sound. The Z sound should be pronounced correctly. Grazia. Let's analyze the second line of this prayer. Il Signore è con te. Il Signore è con te. Il Signore means the Lord. Signore is Lord, and il is a definite article the. Since Signore is a masculine noun, we use the definite article il. The Lord. The next word is a. It has got an accent mark upon the letter a. So it is pronounced as a. It is the verb to be form of singular third person. In English, equivalent is. The Lord is con te, with you. Con means with. Con te means with you. So note the difference between a and a. The first word a without an accent mark is a conjunction, and the second is with an accent mark, that is pronounced as a. The verb to be formed is. Now let's analyze the third line of this prayer. Tu sei benedetta fra le donne. Tu sei benedetta fra le donne. Tu sei means you are. Benedetta, blessed. Since we are referring to Mary, we say Benedetta is a feminine. Fra le donne. Fra is among. Le donne, the women. Le donne is the plural noun of la donna. La donna is singular, that means the woman. Le donne is the women. Fra le donne, among the women or among women. Please note the pronunciation of the word donne. It is not done or done, but it is donne. Since there are two n, there is a doubling of the sound. So it is pronounced as donne. That means women. Now let's analyze the next line. E benedetto è il frutto del tuo seno, Gesù. E benedetto è il frutto del tuo seno, Gesù. The first word a is conjunction, in English and. Benedetto is blessed. Here we are referring to Jesus. So we say Benedetto. In the second line we referred Maria. So we used Benedetta. So here it is a masculine singular. We are referring to Jesus. So we use Benedetto. È il frutto del tuo seno. È il frutto. The word a is verb to be It has got an accent mark. Should be careful about the pronunciation. A, that means is. Il frutto, the fruit. Frutto is a masculine noun, so we use the definite article il. Del tuo seno, of your womb. Del is of, tuo, your, seno, womb. Jesu, Jesus. Please note the pronunciation Jesu. There is an accent mark on U. So that U is got accented. So we have to pronounce Jesu. Now let's analyze the fifth line. Santa Maria Madre di Dio. Santa Maria, Holy Mary. Madre di Dio, Mother of God. Madre means mother. Di is of and Dio is God. Santa Maria Madre di Dio. The next line. Prega per noi peccatori. Prega means pray. It comes from the Italian verb pregare, to pray. Prega per noi. Per means for. Per noi means for us. Peccatori means sinners. Peccatori. Please note the pronunciation peccatori. There are doubling of C. So that is not peccatori, that is peccatori. Now let's analyze the last line of this prayer. Adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen. Adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen. Adesso means now. E is a conjunction and. Nell'ora, at the hour or in the hour. Ora is time. Nell'ora is at the time or at the hour. Della means of the. Nostra is our. Nostra morte, our death. Della nostra morte, our death. Amen. Hi friends, I can give you some of the Italian reading tips. First of all, reading Italian is a piece of cake. That means it is very easy. Unlike English or some other languages, we can read Italians as we write it. And also the word accent is normally on the penultimate syllable or second last syllable. Here is an example. Let's take the first word of this prayer, Ave. So the first letter is English letter A and it is A in Italian and it is always pronounced in Italian as A. So it is not Ave but it is Ave. And the accent mark of this word, we know there are two syllables, Ave. So the penultimate syllable or second last syllable, it has got the accent. So we say Ave. It is not Ave, but it is Ave. So normally the accent is on this penultimate or the second last syllable. Let's note the pronunciation of some of the Italian letters. The English letter A is A in Italian and is pronounced always as A. For example, AVE is always pronounced as Ave. The English letter D is pronounced in Italian as D. So the word DIO is pronounced as Dio. The English letter E is A in Italian and is pronounced always as A. For example, the word Benedetta. The English letter I is E in Italian and is always pronounced as E. Note the pronunciation of the word Maria. The English letter T is pronounced as T. For example, this is pronounced as Conte. The English letter U is pronounced as U. Note the pronunciation of the word frutto. We should be mindful about the pronunciation of the English letters C and G in Italian because it changes according to the letters attached to it. Now let's try. CA is Ka, CHI is Ki, CHE is K, CO is Ko, CU is Ku, CIA is Cha, CI is Chi, CE is Che, CIU is Chu, CIO is Cho in Italian. In the same way, GA is Ga, GHI is Gi, GHE is gay, GO is go, GU is gu, GIA is ja, GI is G, GE is J, GIU is Ju, GIO is Jo. Try to pronounce this word. It contains the English letters G and E, so this word is pronounced as Jesu. Try this word. It contains the letters CHI, so this word is pronounced as Chiesa. Let's try this word GIUSTO. It contains GIU, so it is pronounced as Justo. Let's try one more word. It contains CIA, so this word is pronounced as Chao. Make sure the pronunciation of NG and GN. So NG is pronounced as Inja in this word Anjali. Anjali means angels. And GN is pronounced as Inya, as in Agnello. Agnello means lamb. So friends, today we learn Ave Maria, the prayer Hail Mary in Italian language. We have also learned how to read Italian language with the help of this prayer. Hope you like this video. If possible, try to learn this prayer by heart and keep this prayer, include this prayer in your daily prayers and family prayers. I welcome all your feedbacks and comments too. We will see tomorrow. Stay connected. Ciao.